Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. We are learning Marigold for class 2. Let's listen. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. कैंग नाम का ये कंगारू है. इससे सपना आया, ड्रीम. एक बार वो आसमान में उड़ा, फिर वो मून पे उड़ा, फिर बादलों पे उड़ा, फिर वो स्लिप कर गया डाउन अ ट्री. एक पेड़ पे स्लिप कर गया. फिर कैंग उठ गया. साइलेंस केम. Close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words. अपनी आंखें बंद करो और जो मैं वर्ड्स बोल रहा हूँ उन पे ध्यान लगाओ और उनके बारे में सोचो. Close your eyes. Butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. अब अपनी आंखें खोलो और वो जैसे चलते हैं चल के दिखाओ. Let's draw. Complete the pictures and label them. ये है ear, ये है trunk, ये है tail. This is ear. Let's write an act. Fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. If I were a kangaroo, I would. अगर तुम कंगारू होते तो क्या करते? If I were a tiger, I would. अगर तुम टाइगर होते तो क्या करते? If I were a fish, I would. If I were a bird, I would. Now hop, roar, swim, and fly like them. Say aloud. Octopus, elephant, butterfly, kangaroo. Let's draw. This is an octopus with its 8 tentacles or hands. Let's write. Add full to the words given in the brackets. इस bracket में जो words हैं उनमें full add करके इन blanks को भरना है. You must be helpful to your friends. Make a colorful drawing. The puppy is so playful. Be careful while crossing the road. Join the two words to make one word. Look at the example. The last L will be omitted. Okay, peacefully. Okay, last L will be omitted. Same as playful and so on. Come on, you try. Write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. 5 चीज़ें ऐसे बताओ जो आप कर सकते हो और I can से start करना. Okay. Read, I can, write, etc. So on. You have to fill it. Now you have to write I cannot, जो आप नहीं कर सकते. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and comment and subscribe my channel to motivate me. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.